A very good morning to all of you, my dear kids. I hope you all are fine at home. Today, we will move on to the new lesson, lesson number 4, that is strange medicine. All of you open this page, lesson number 4, the strange medicine. Here it is the story of a king who is having an illness, that is have no medicine. For that illness, there is no medicine. ಆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗೆ ಔಷಧಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತದೊಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So, one of the physicians find the medicine for his illness. Let us see the story. Okay. The strange medicine. The royal proclaimer beats the old tom-tom to make an important announcement. The king is ill. The person who cures him will get a reward. The royal proclaimer means the person who announced something important. I think you have seen in the movies or a TV that one of the royal proclaimer is there and he used to make the sound of tum-tum. He beat the tum-tum and he make an announcement that the king was ill. So, if anybody found the medicine for that illness, we will give the reward to them. The king will reward with some gold coins and ornaments to them. Like this, he made an announcement. Why such an announcement? Of course, there is a reason for it. The king of Samaipur is ill. It is not an ordinary illness. It is an illness, the medicine for which is not even known to the royal physician. Owing to this illness, the king has become not thin but fat. Why the announcement is made? Yake announcement ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? Why means the king of Samaipur has such an illness that nobody can able to cure that. Even the royal physician is one of the doctor who is a specialist in general medicine. He is also not able to cure the illness of the king. But because of that illness, the king has becoming fat, not thin. This is the illness of the king. Now the king can only sit when he is made to sit by a royal attendants and can lie down when he is helped to do so. The question of walking does not arise at all. It is by overeating and not exercising that the king has earned his present physical condition. So children, you think what will be the illness that there is no medicine for it? That is because of the overeating of the king. The king has become lazy. He used to eat and he only took rest. So he became fat. So there is no medicine for fatness and illness. The king's condition was very worse, that even he want to sit, then he need the help of his servants, his attendants. They made them to sit him and they made them to make a sleep him. Beating the tum-tum and making announcement was done earlier too, but nothing happened. Physician came and went taking a fat feast. It has become regular that beating a tum-tum and calling for a physician, and physicians have came from place to place. Then they have treated and they took a very large feast, but though it was not any help, it was waste. Now beating the tum-tum has become regular activity in the kingdom. A poor farmer, Suresh, also hears the announcement. Suresh is hardworking and intelligent. He somehow understands the real cause of king's illness. He chalks out a plan and prepares to cure the king. Now it was a regular activity. Again one day the proclaimer went and started beating the tum-tum. Then one of the farmer of the village, his name is Suresh, he heard the announcement and he think about it. Then he found a medicine for the king. That he thought about that and he found what is the reason of the illness of the king, and he prepared for the king's medicine. He stopped shaving his moustache and beard. When his uncut beard and moustache grown long, he goes straight to the royal court. Now he looks like an experienced doctor. After saluting, he says, "Your Excellency, I have come here after knowing everything. I am not an ordinary doctor. You may call me the king's doctor. He thought of a plan, Suresh thought of a plan, and he let his beard and mustache to grow, and later it grown, and he was looking like a physician, and he dressed up like a royal physician, and he come to the king's court, and he told that I know the medicine for the illness of the king, and I will treat her, let me go, I am a great physician. Like this he used to told them, and he went inside. The king allows him to start treating him. Suresh goes before the king and says, my lord, there is one condition you have to do what I tell you to do, otherwise my medicine will not work. That Suresh went to the king, and king allowed him to treat himself. So Suresh told the king that, my majesty, there is a medicine for your illness, but what you have to do is, you have to do what I have told to you. There is no other medicine except this. There is no other alternative but to accept Suresh's condition. Suresh tell the king what is to be done. It is as simple as to pluck 5 neem leaves every morning from a particular tree. Then king is also don't have any alternative. He has no other way. He accepted the Suresh's condition, and it was very easy that he has to only pluck a 5 neem leaves from a particular tree. Suresh addressed a particular tree. He told that you go and pluck the leaf of a particular plant tree. So king accepted that condition. This tree stands about 500 steps away from the main gate of the palace. There is another point to be kept in mind. One and only one leaf is to be plucked at a time, and is to be brought back to the main gate of the palace and chipped. In this fashion, 5 neem leaves are to be plucked and chipped daily for 30 days without any break in between. This has to be performed by the king himself, not by anyone else. That the condition of the Suresh is, king has to pluck the neem leaves from a particular tree, and that tree is 500 steps far from his palace, and he have to pluck only one leaf one time, and he have to brought it to the gate of the palace, and he have to again he have to go, and he have to pluck one leaf, and he have to achieve at the gate of the palace. Like this he have to do the 5 times every day without any help. Only king has to do this, not by his attendants. To save his life, the king starts following Suresh's advice, but it is too difficult for the king to follow the instruction in toto. On the very first day, he somehow walks down to the neem tree, but not without the help of dozen royal attendants, and pulls down a leaf. After coming back to the main gate, the palace, he sleeps for a whole day. Then next day Suresh comes and gets report that there is no another way. King accepted the condition of the Suresh, and he went to the neem tree, but not without a help. Dozens of servants took king to the tree and made him to pluck the neem leaf and took back. Like this he did the task completed, and next day Suresh came. However, he encourages the king to continue the treatment. The same incident is reported the following day. As day passes, the king finds that he is able to walk up to the tree on his own. Then he realized that he is not so tired after returning from the tree. He now enjoys the walk to the tree and go back from it. First day, the king came back and slept for a whole day. Suresh came next day and he took the report. Okay, anyhow he encourages the king that you do it same on for 15 days, you will feel free. And king also continued to do the same. Later, day by day, he started to enjoy the walk, and he started to do it by his own self. After 15 days, the king feels much better. He appears to be somewhat slim. That 15 days got passed on, the king was enjoying doing such walk, and he becomes little slim, and he was able to walk also. What a surprise! At the end of 30 days, the king cannot only sit and stand up all by himself but also walk. He is happy that Suresh has made him realize the importance of exercise and ills of overeating. That after 15 days, king was feeling free, that he can able to walk by on own himself. Later, after 30 days, the king has become very slim. Even he is able to stand on his own, walk on his own. The king was very happy that the medicine of Suresh is worked on him. As promised, the king gives a bag full of diamonds and jewelry to the Suresh. Suresh returned home as a rich and famous man. Everyone in the village is happy. The Suresh made them to understand the king that what happened if the overeating and laziness is there means that the causes of overeating led to illness. So exercise is very important to the man. Walking, working, jumping, playing, everything is very important to the man. Only eating and sleeping doesn't make any sense. Okay. So everyone has to do the exercise. Everyone has to do their work on their own. So Suresh made the king to understand that thing, and king was very happy and he rewarded Suresh with the more gold coins and ornaments. So Suresh go back home happily and he became very famous that he cured the illness of kings, and all the people of the village is also very happy. I think you enjoyed this lesson and understood the importance of exercise. So everyone have to work on their own and do the exercise each and every day. It keeps us fit and fine and even active. Okay children, don't go outside to play. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.